Hello and welcome to each one of you. Uh, Today it's a sunny day and nice to see the bright sunshine. And I do hope today is Friday and now it's 4:20 and I hope to go on have this session for 30 minutes. Now to begin with, I'm planning to launch my mini course by the 10th of October, and here are a few details that you will get to know. I'll just share my slide. It involves a session with color paper. You will need scissors. It is an activity with a basic act of folding, cutting, and pasting. And next, you also have you will also have activities where you can make simple greeting cards, four-petal flower, and the variation that you can do with the four-petal flower. Once you're thorough with the four-petal flower, then you're moving on to a six-petal, eight-petal, 12-petal flowers. And then you're going to create wall hangings. You're also going to learn how to make a chair and do an example of a chair like this. You can make a table set or a decoration like this. Simple decorations where you will also be learning how to make a box like this, where you can put in your crayons, your color pencils. You can also use it to give it as thank you gifts. You will learn simple wall hangings like these, and greeting cards which you can frame and put in a photo frame. You also have the tiny. Once you learn the petal flower, you also learn how to make leaf. And here I'm just showing you how you can make a different um, kind of with the leaves, how you can create a tree. And then you also have the four petal flowers, which you will learn, and then create it into individual blooming flowers like this, which you can open up, and we will be changing the pattern of the flower and the remaining paper. None of it is going to go waste. We will not throw away the bits that come out of it. We'll create more um, cutouts, and then we are going to use it as flowers like this. If we get a long strip, you can also create small, tiny four petal flowers this size and create a bunch of flowers or flowering tree. And then you also will learn how to make small desks like this. You want to create a scene of a classroom, you can learn how to make the chair perfectly, and you can create a classroom. That's if I can show you. Now this is imagine this is a classroom. You have the teacher here and the table here. And you can also learn how to make benches, long benches with the same type of fold, but in a different rectangular shape. You will also learn how to cut a dress, align frock for a doll. You will also learn how to make pleats on paper and make a pleated skirt and lots more as it comes up. And you can all log in or register or click on my online school of art and crafts creations.com, where you can log in and register. We have free membership, lifelong membership, that is for those who are registering in free. And we also have the courses attached with the registration. Thank you.